On the actual day of the Waran dedication, there were planes and boats and helicopters, expats and nationals, pastors, speakers, banners, boomboxes, and bullhorns. There were government officials with fancy suits, giant feasts, and whole roasted pigs. The celebration started at 3:23 in the morning and was still going strong at midnight when I finally fell asleep. The celebration to dedicate the Waran New Testament was monumental, but it was missing something important. Due to a number of setbacks and issues at the printing press, the actual finished Bibles were still being printed when we celebrated the completion of translation. We only had a couple of copies with us that day that had been sent ahead for typesetting approval. That changes today. Today, after weeks of praying, sending emails, and figuring out logistics, the Waran have their New Testament. This time, when the translation team went out to deliver the Bibles, there weren't any camera crews or helicopters or big bands. It was just a missionary and an exceptional team of Papua New Guinean translators presenting their people with the culmination of 40 years of incredibly difficult, love-filled work. And this is the end of one chapter, but honestly it's just the beginning of so many more, and I can't help but think that this is often how the Bible works. The big celebration is really good and it's really nice to be a part of, but real transformation comes slowly, with prayer and persistence, no matter the hurdles, delays, or setbacks. Real change is not fast, and it is often not glamorous, but it is good, and it is worth it.